They calling me splurge, why me jump right off the curb? Get this one feel like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Tuck up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick with they purr. Let me jump right off the curb. Get this one feel like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Tuck up the phone, I swear. You want to stick with they purr.
Hey, this is a brand new shit.
Yo, ask yourself this question next time you see your reflection. Is it me or my ego? Whose name's getting mentioned? Am I a man or a monster? Is it a job or a hobby? Is it on, is it over? Who they set my apology dealing with? What am I dealing with? Dealing with. No, I'm not feeling. Watch how I deal with them. Watch how I deal with them. Watch how I deal with them. Whether I agree with them. Yeah. Watch how I deal with them. It don't make sense anymore. I don't get rest anymore. I'm gonna need more than a talk. Can't work with the stress on my chest anymore. Yeah. Voice in my head, telling me to send them a headshot. Another voice said, you got bedrooms on your desktop. They say home is where the heart is. So why am I feeling different? I'm trying to focus and be an artist. And then the other stuff put into position. You gotta keep options open. Hop 1 minute, next minute, like a frozen. But not me though, got what I need though. My sheets look like the sweetest vocal. Is it me or is everyone sleeping? I wanna get rid of this feeling. This mirror can't bring me a remedy. Be a man, this night's preaching. Man, think from morning till evening. Put down them books for your reading. Right now, the youth need feeding. So they got no time for your dreaming. Father done. Anyway, we see them, we are bound. Another one. Boss up 4, 5 down. Go on, ready to
festival back up and running, have I?
Badadan, badadan, badadan.
I didn't go. Poppers in it for a penny, get the hit blow. Run up in the shit raw. I got a girl, I ain't never got no fucking condom. If she call me, then that bitch, I be pissed off. Real nigga shit. Bergie be my man all day. Probably with Marty or Jay. Them my niggas from back in the day. Tarzan ain't showing his face. He probably the one with the kid. Front the knee letting his spray. 2 shots to up on my clock, man. Shot my right, let it go in your brain. Front them knees coming your way. If they send me dump, then they coming your way. Dump when I buy my come. My youth don't run with me. Coop for the bad hoes. They all wanna come with me. You got a coupe with a sad hoe. Cause she wanna come with me. Shabba, shabba, ranks, shabba, ranks. 8 gold rings like I'm shabba, ranks. 4 gold chains like I'm shabba, ranks. 1 gold tooth like I'm shabba, ranks. Shabba, ranks, shabba, ranks. 8 gold rings like I'm shabba, ranks. 2 bad bitches like I'm shabba, ranks. 1 gold tooth.
Holy shit, guys. Let's bring that one fucking back one time. Let's fucking go, Stunner! Yeah, thank you guys so much. Holy shit.
Stones and flowers on the ground. We are lost and found. What love is gonna save us? Shadows walking the ground. We are lost and found. What love is gonna save us? Stones and flowers on the ground. We are lost and found. What love is gonna save us? Shadows walking the ground. We are lost and found. What love is gonna save us?
Still bigger than
Still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I'll be fine. Can't you feel my heartbeat as all this lasts? Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heartbeat still? I can't let you go. Want you in my life.
Let's keep this shit going, Soundheads. This shit is so much fun. I'm blessed to be here tonight. Thank you. Soundhaven, I heard you fuck with DMB.
I don't think you hear me. speakers blow your mind.
Blow my mind, baby.
Let it go, here we go. Let that
Come on, we here.
the system's got me feel so good.
I'm fine, yeah. I'm fine,
man's none out to space. Man's none out to space. Dapper, real non-slapper. Bang with the gang, come be a gang banger. Put this little deck in your daily planner. May 31st, that's the day you'll have us. Not right, you run them like passion. Box man, not like it's hit Manhattan. Flat man's not after stars and Saturn.
My money is Jesse, ain't hard to get. Last time I made a back song when I could hardly step. I'm from a place that your favorite rappers hardly rep. It's strictly RG until I guard does, guard the jet. 5 mil celebrations, ain't a taster menu. My brain's a live show, I just hate the venue. Lyrics make me bread now from when I made my debut. I have a heart to heart with Britney, then the day continues. Yes, 107.9. Pulling up in a blacked out Audi, acting rowdy, bad Ben Brownie. There's a party at my ex's yard, but the slack don't shout me. Man don't down me, man chat shit for slacking loudly, smacked him proudly. People go get a chocolate round me. What? Man get racks in now, G. If I ask you, never you, that's hard on. My bad Canada, you bang answer. Never see that you with the after. My man's fucked to a suit and larder. Yeah, waste man. Can't have to see with a stellar. Send man round like a human propeller. If his girlfriend's cute, I'll tell her. She ain't going home with you. I spit bars I'm chosen to. Gonna make that lost like frozen food. Be the best in the world I'm open to. Overdue. Bare heads firm and I'm rolling through. Still cold in tune. Got their nose start holding too. Don't check shit, you're frozen.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention please? I'm sorry, but the police are here. They've asked us to stop the party. Fuck off! Ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention please? I'm sorry, but the police are here. They've asked us to stop the party.
Yo, thank you guys so much. This has been insane. I love it. I got time for a couple more. Thank you guys so much. Jumping on this next drop. Guys, I think this is my last track. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming out tonight. Holy shit, thank you. Time 7, let's fucking go. Thank you guys so much. They're telling me I got time for one more, so let's fucking run it. Hey yo, it's been a pleasure to play for you all tonight. My name's Vince Keller. Thank you so much. Who's ready to get their break going?